Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. As you can see, I have to recapture this video 10 years ago and 3 days from now because there's a copyright claim including on the video. That's why I have to recapture this again for my upload for tonight. What you are seeing right now is my contract signing for my first acquired brand new APV van. I was so young there. And my first part that I'm saying here is I'm having a contract signing for Star Cinema, and then my agent MV asked me to sign properly all the documents and the papers. And then she also asked me if what particular network am I told her that I'm from Star Cinema, if I'm ABS-CBN or GMA7. Just kidding. And guys, please bear with me if there's some unwanted, how do you call the thing, unwanted objects or unwanted shadows, okay? Because I just want to make this as my memory and I just want to share it with you. And then what else should we what else we are saying also in here. And then she asked me to repeat some of my signatures because it's not, how do you call the thing, it's not the same with the other one. And then there's a lot of sounds in here guys and girls, that's why I have to recapture this once again. And I lessen the sounds. And then she also told me that why is it that I didn't get a videographer, because I can concentrate on my contract signing, and then she's the one who's holding the camera. As you can see guys and girls, she doesn't hold it properly. She didn't have my full face on the screen. Guys, please bear with me if this is some kind of a blurred. And then she also asked me for a Pansit session, Pansit Canton session. And then I also asked her if their team are making some, what do you call the thing, hold on guys, contributing one another to have some snacks or some festivity or dinner, whatever they wanted to be. And sometimes clients treat them for a snacks. Hold on guys, hold on. And then what else guys, please bear with me, okay? And then she keep on telling me that please sign properly on the papers because she might be scolded by her superior, and when she got scolded I maybe scold her. So she's the one absorbing both parties. What else did we talk about in here? Sorry, hold on guys. And then she also tell me that it's a give and take relationship between the client and the company. And then I also asked her if my van can be released after I signed the papers, and she didn't. I can't because I already informed the team that on the following day the following day that I'm gonna get the car, because I have to prepare the garage in my house in Binangonan. Guys, sorry if you can see some shadows. And what else? Of course, some kind of a blurred. My apology guys and girls. And then she kept on asking me to repeat the signature. And sometimes I told her I'm some kind of a how do you call that thing? My head some kind of spinning. Oh gosh. Sorry. I hope guys you bear with my video, okay? So just a few more seconds, guys and girls, we're gonna finish this one. Because I don't want to upload this with sounds because YouTube may put me on a copyright claim category. So please bear with my video, okay? Anyway, hope you like the first three. There it is, guys and girls. I'm done.